Everybody reveal. Oh, he got. You look a little funny. You look a little fun. It's Squishy Face. It's a Squishy Face.
Plus, we're doing a Squishy versus Real challenge.
That's right.
Look at this. Squishy.
Show me Squishy Face.
Yay!
All right, so this is the Squishy versus Real challenge, where we give you one real item and one squishy item.
Yeah, and we're going to eat a watermelon.
Yeah, she's all watermelon.
Watermelon.
We've got a watermelon, we've got some sweets and stuff. So listen, I need to give you guys the rules. We're gonna give a real
A squishy.
and a squishy, and you guys gotta guess which one it is, okay? If it's your turn, you have the choice to keep what we gave you or switch with the other person, okay? We'll start out with Ava, and she can keep her switch. And listen, you only get a point if you get a squishy item.
Yes.
As a consolation,
Okay.
if you get the real item, you get to take a bite. Okay? You guys ready to play?
Yeah, I am.
All right, 10 rounds, here we go. You ready?
Bing, bing, bing. Before we get started, remember to give a like to KidCity. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Ring that bobo.
Bobo, ring that Bobo. No, ring the bell. Ring the bell so you can get notified. Here we go. The lovely Mom City with her yellow scarf. She's going to set them down.
This is the donut.
She's going to set them down. And then Ava is going to get a chance because it's... Whoa, oh.
It's a bell. It's okay.
The dog and everybody's here.
Ava, say switch.
Would you like, since it's your turn on round 1, would you like to switch or keep your plate?
Wait.
Okay, let's see it. Reveal. Ava, reveal.
Yay!
Woo! A cookie.
I got 1 point though. I will eat it.
Oh, ooh, that's melted marshmallow. I don't think she's upset about not getting a point.
I got the point.
And you got the s'more squishy. Squash it up. Put it down on the plate. She's going to town. You gotta save room for your next round, okay?
Save the room.
Little Flash has got a point,
1 point.
and it's round 2. Okay, let's take that away from her so she has some room for round 2.
That was so good.
Okay, this is round 2.
Can't wait to get a big watermelon.
Oh yeah, I know.
I like get a big watermelon.
This is round 2. Little Flash is gonna get a chance to switch or keep. What do you think?
Switch.
Oh, she already revealed it.
You have to eat it. If you
No,
want
that's
to
yours.
do it.
That's yours. Oh,
Oh!
what?
Yeah, no, I'm not taking that.
That is yours. You said switch. The mushroom is yours. Let's reveal. Oh, she got a squishy mushroom. How cute. So you got a mushroom because you decided to switch. And you know what? I will give you, so she got a point. So it's 1-1. I will give you 1 extra point if you eat that mushroom.
Wait, all of it.
I'll let you, if you eat half of it,
Half?
of it, you get an extra point.
Where? I don't know.
Just a big bite. But you have to chew it up, keep it in your mouth, and swallow it for 1 extra point. What you gonna do?
How did it?
I don't know if that counts as an extra point.
Yeah, that does.
Okay, we'll give you a point for that. So you've got 2 points. Ava has a squishy and 1 point. Good job. For somebody that can't eat broccoli or peas or won't, because you get grossed out, you just ate a little bit of a mushroom, and I'm proud of you.
I still do not like mushrooms.
I know. I didn't think you would. I don't. Okay.
I really want the watermelon.
She wants the watermelon.
No, I do. I do. I want the squishy watermelon. Da da da. I want the big watermelon.
round 3, and it's Ava's turn to see if she wants to keep or switch with Little Flash.
Can't reveal it.
Don't look yet. Would you like to keep or switch with Little Flash? You want to keep it. Okay, let's reveal it. Waffle! Waffle! Ava gets a point for a squishy waffle.
Yummy, I love waffles. I want to take a bite. I want to take a bite. I'm gonna eat it. I want to take a bite.
Get that mushroom taste out of your mouth. Smell your squishy. That's a squishy whole grain waffle.
I want a big bite.
Ava's got 2 points. You know what? It's a tie game. Round 4. It's Little Flash's turn to decide if he wants to keep or switch.
I'm going to keep.
He's gonna keep, so let's see it. What is it? Oh, hamburger! Ava got another squishy. Little Flash got a McDonald's cheeseburger. Okay, don't eat all that. Just one bite, son. Good grief, y'all. Y'all are gonna throw up. Look at that lettuce. So Ava has 3 squishy points. Little Flash has 2. One of them's from a mushroom. All right, guys. Coming up is round 5.
Hey, comment below and tell us what squishy you want us to see in the next round.
Yeah.
Get in the next round.
Yeah.
I'm in.
Not in the next round. The next challenge. Maybe we'll do a number 2. Find some more squishies.
I got.
Round 5. It's Ava's turn to see if she wants to keep the black one or switch and get the red one.
Oh, stretch.
She wants to switch. Everybody reveal. Oh, he got squishy. Now don't eat it. Just one bite, guys. Y'all are gonna puke so bad.
This is
I think this is like a blackberry cheesecake squishy. We'll put this here and watch it expand. Look at that. She's cleaning up on the squishies.
Round 1 was my only hope.
This is round 6. And Little Flash's turn to see if he wants to keep or switch.
Switch.
What you want to do, buddy?
Keep.
He wants to keep.
Yeah!
Squishy point. Chocolate donut. Oh, she's gonna dig into that.
I got the squishy. I get a point. I'm a 3.
One bite. Okay, let's put this away. Mmm, so good. So Ava's got 4 points. Little Flash has 3 squishy points because we comped him a point for eating that. And round 7 coming up.
I am the king of squishies.
You're the king of squishies? This is round 7. It's Ava's turn to find out if she wants to switch or keep it. You want the black one or the red one?
The red.
The red, so let's switch. Everybody reveal. Whoa, look at that. You got strawberry ice cream.
I want one.
And Ava, you got, look at this. Can you squeeze this for us? She don't want, not interested. Maybe we should have done the point as that. One bite. What's that smell like?
I stole.
It smells like corn-flavored cotton candy.
Oh no! That's my donut.
This is round 8.
Oh, it's my turn to pick.
Uh-huh. All right, Little Flash, do you want to keep or switch? He wants to keep. Everybody reveal. Oh my goodness. There's some McDonald's French fries. And look at that squishy. You got a squishy point, which they care nothing about. Look, it's Happy Meal. These kids are so hungry. I promise we feed them. Ava has cleaned up with 5 points there. That's very good. She's counting. And then Little Flash has 3 points, the donut, the s'more, and the... No. She's got 6 points. Wait a minute. Wait, is that right? So it's 6-3, actually, because you had the mushroom. Round 9.
Oh, I know what's going to be last.
Ava, would you like to keep your red one or switch? Switch. Okay. She's got the instinct. Let's see if she does it again. Whoa!
La, la, la.
Little Flash gets a point, and Ava gets his birthday cupcake. Whoa! Man, that's the best looking cupcake I've ever seen.
I got the
Whoa.
point. I got the point. I got the point.
She said that's enough. We don't want these kids getting sick.
I'm at 4.
That's right.
Smells so good.
Mmm, it does smell so good. It smells so fruity. Is that good?
Yeah, buttercream. It's my turn.
Final round. This is round 10. It's Little Flash's turn. All right, Little Flash. Do you want to switch or keep your plate? Keep. Let's see the big reveal. Boom! Boom! Look what she got!
I got 5.
Whoa. How is it?
Does it taste good?
As perfect as it could be.
As perfect as it can be.
Really?
They've been waiting on that.
Watermelon.
I got 5 points. I got 5 points.
You
One
got-
short of her though.
One short, so she got 6 points. You got 5 points, and she is the winner again. She has beat you in the Flush Force Challenge, the Heroes and Villains. Man, she is cleaning up, and she doesn't care a bit. Look at that. They haven't had watermelon since the summer, I don't think.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to KidCity if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye.
Ava, say see you next time.
See you next time.
Love their watermelon.